Right, well, here we are. This is the sixth of our installments on logarithms. We are going to simplify the equation log to the base w of 1 over w. So this is a question of how many times you can multiply w by itself to get 1 over w. So we'll start by writing it in the form of an equation that we can work with, and then we'll take it from there. So we'll say y is equal to log to the base w of 1 over w. So we can rewrite this according to the laws of logarithms, that w to the power of y is equal to 1 over w. Now, by the definition of exponents, something multiplied by itself 0 times is 1, and something multiplied by itself -1 times is its inverse. Let me give you an example. Let's say we wanted to have w squared divided by w cubed. Well, that one, we wind up having the 2 and the 3 canceling each other out, and we get that equaling 1 over w. But if we look at the laws of exponents, the way things actually work, we have this whole thing here looking like w to the 2 minus 3. Well, w to the 2 minus 3 is equal to w to the minus 1. So in that way, we know that y is equal then to -1. Once again, the reason that we know that y is equal to -1 is because essentially you're multiplying it by itself -1 times, or you're dividing. So you take 1 and you divide it by the w. If you were taking, for example, w to the first power, you would have w in the numerator. But because it is a negative power, because we have y equals -1, so we wind up having w to the -1 power is equal to 1 over w. That just means it's in the denominator. All there is to it, don't make it any harder than it is. If there's a negative exponent, the number is in the denominator. If it's a positive exponent, the number is in the numerator. So just for the sake of completion, we'll finish this up by filling in for y and saying that log to the base w of 1 over w is equal to -1. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope that you have a good rest of the day and that this is useful for you. Talk to you later.